Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to carefully trim specific segments of a video using the InShot app on your phone. Let's dive into the steps to make your video shorter and more engaging. First, we open the InShot app on our phone and click on Video. After clicking Video, as you can see here, we then select the video we want to edit. Your video. For instance, if you have a very long video, as you can see here, and you want to shorten it, let's proceed. To make it smaller, in simpler terms, to shorten it like this. So what do? We click on the video to start. Now, let's focus on the video itself. And here is where we begin to trim it down. As you can see, we navigate to the sleeping section, where we can select the specific parts we want to cut out for a more concise final product. We simply select Sleep, and for example, let's say we have this specific segment. We click once, and we might want to adjust it. Now let's carefully trim it right here. We click a second time, and that's it. After that, you simply tap on this specific section to finalize your edits. You select the segment and delete it. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Thank you all for your attention. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, and goodbye now.